Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I'm going to share my Nykaa's hot pink sale haul with all of you guys, and I have got all of these products in amazing discount. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So these are the things which I have bought from Nykaa. Definitely the boxes are big and the products are small like always. So I'm thinking of opening this small box first. Just now it has arrived, and that's the reason I thought of making this video. I also forgot what I have ordered actually. Okay, so yeah, I have got this Fit Me Maybelline Fit Me compact for myself. MRP of this product is rupees 199. I got it at rupees 149, and the shade is 230 Natural Bar. Then I got this Nykaa Cookie Crumble Milky Way sandwich. I got it at rupees 100 when the price is rupees 199. I guess this is the third time I am buying this Lakme's 9 to 5 Blush Velvet. This lipstick is amazing, guys. It is a beautiful nude shade, and I got it at only rupees 340 where the price is rupees 675. I keep on buying this lipstick. This lipstick is something that you must try if you haven't. So I'm just opening this box now. Okay, so here I'm having two products. Let's open and see what I have got. So this is the Nature's Tattva Rose Water. I have heard lot of good reviews regarding this product. I really wanted to try this product. Now this rose water comes in a glass bottle, which is something really nice, but it is a bit risky also. You need to handle it with care. Now I have got this product at rupees 206 where the MRP is rupees 275. The next product is my absolute favorite, and this is L'Oreal 6 Oil Nourish Rapid Reviver Deep Conditioner. Now if you are having dry damaged hair and you are looking for a good conditioner, because it is very important to get a good conditioner for yourself when you are having frizzy hair, right? So you can definitely give this product a try. It will just amaze you, and yes, I have got this product at rupees 180 and the MRP of this product is rupees 240. Now let's open this box. Okay, so there are 1, 2 and 3 products, and let me show you guys what actually I have gotten here. Now here we have this Requil Fruit AHA face wash. I was planning to buy this face wash for a long time, and this time I got it at a discounted rate. Normally this product, I have never seen this product at a discounted rate. So yeah, I got it at rupees 383 and where the MRP is rupees 450. Next up I have this Lakme's Lip Love, and this lip balm is having SPF of 15. So yeah, I was just planning to buy it, and I got it at rupees 99 where the MRP is rupees 150. So yeah, I got it at quite an affordable rate. Next I have this. I ordered 2 lip balms actually. This Blue Heavens lip balm, and I got this lip balm only at rupees 64. I have heard lot of people talking about this Blue Heaven lip balm, whatever it is, and so I thought of buying it and using it, guys. So yeah, I'm having high hopes from this also. One more product was still there and I didn't notice it actually. So this is the Garnier sheet mask, the yellow sheet mask. I love to use Garnier sheet mask because these sheet masks are loaded with serum, and after using it I feel so fresh, guys. And if you have dry dehydrated skin, you should use one sheet mask at least in a week. I got this sheet mask at rupees 89. Lot of discount I didn't get in this sheet mask because it is priced at rupees 99 and I paid 89 for this. But yeah, this is something which I love and I keep on repurchasing. Now guys, this is the only box which I have opened, and I have used 1 or 2 products also from this box. I was just unable to resist myself. The products which you can see over here are from the brand Plum. I was actually planning to buy all these products and I got it at a pretty discounted rate. So yeah, I bought them all. I have bought 3 products from Plum's Vanilla Vibes range. I just wanted to try them because I love the scent of vanilla. This is their sugar scrub, Vanilla Vibe sugar scrub, and I have used this product, guys. Let me tell you, the fragrance is amazing. It is very refreshing, and the scrub is so gentle on your skin. It just melts on your skin. At the same time, it takes away all the dirt and grit which is sitting on your skin. I like this scrub so much. Definitely when it is going to finish, I'm going to buy it. The MRP of this product is rupees 550 and I got it at only rupees 341. I got all of these Plum products at an amazing discounted rate. Next up, I have this Plum Vanilla Vibes Body Mist. This body mist is amazing, guys. I fell in love with the fragrance, and the fragrance stays at least for, I will tell you, 12-13 hours on your body. I love this smell so much, and it's quite refreshing also. I have paid rupees 368 for this, but the MRP is rupees 525. So I told you guys, Plum was giving amazing discounts and I just grabbed it. Now the next product is this Plum Vanilla Vibes Body Butter. Now let me tell you very honestly, guys, I was having lot of high hopes from this product because I have used their entire Vanilla Vibes range. I have used their body oil also, and it was just amazing. I can't define in words. Words will fall short. I loved this entire Vanilla Vibes range, excepting this product, because this the smell of this product is kind of nutty. It is not that moisturizing also, but still too, I have bought it. I need to use it. I will not suggest anyone to buy this, because if you are going for this, definitely you are going for two reasons. You are wanting moisturization and you are wanting that fragrance, means that vanilla scent, and I don't think this product lives up to our expectations, so it's a big no from my end. MRP of this product is rupees 525 and I have paid rupees 341. Now the last product of my haul video is Plum's green tea face mask. I didn't buy it. It was a free gift from Nykaa. As I have bought 3 products from Plum, that's the reason they have gifted me this. Now Plum's green tea range is having amazing reviews all over the social media, and I never tried any of their green tea range products. So yeah, I am having high hopes from this product, and definitely I am going to give this product a try. So guys, if you have liked this video and found this video interesting, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon. See you all in my next video. Until then, tata, take care. Bye bye.